Hey, it's Luana, and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's episode is part 7 in our plate lunch series, and we're gonna be making Loco Moco. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, shoyu, pepper, my favorite, salt, some garlic powder, beef bouillon, heavy cream, flour, some butter, eggs, and vegetable oil. First, we'll start off by seasoning our ground beef with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and shoyu. After that, give it a good mixy mix to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Just like the hamburger steak video, we're going to weigh out each patty to 4 ounces using a scale. Shape the ground beef into balls and form them into patties, making sure to include the dimple in the middle so it doesn't bulge when you fry them up. Using a nonstick pan on medium-high heat with no oil, fry your patties until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. In a saucepan on medium heat, add the butter and flour mixture to form a roux. Cook it until the mixture is slightly nutty smelling, making sure not to burn it. Once the roux is ready, add the beef stock and stir vigorously to make sure no lumps are forming. Add the shoyu and the heavy cream, and if your gravy is still a little thick, add some beef stock to thin it out. Loco Moco is traditionally made with sunny side up eggs, but you can make them any style you'd like. I'm gonna make mine over easy because that's how I like it. And there you have it, Loco Moco. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode because I'm putting my own spin on a fellow YouTuber's dessert recipe and you're not going to want to miss it. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.